So what I have for you here today is a Fujifilm digital camera, okay? The Fujifilm model number S1000, as you can see here. I think it says FD here in little tiny letters. All around here it is. I'll show you the camera. You just shoot all around it. Show you it does have a little lens cap that does come with it. Pop that on there. So it's really easy to use, a real simple point and shoot. It's got a nice large screen on the back. All the controls are very easily laid out. It does have a bottom screw here for a tripod as well. Batteries go in the bottom here, really simple. Just hit the switch down, open that up. 4 AA batteries, so nothing fancy to buy, nothing crazy batteries, and 1 SD card goes in the bottom. And that's easy. Easy enough to hook that up. Close that up. So let me show you. So here's all the controls here. It does video as well as all kinds of automatic, priority. You can set up the special features if you want to, automatic. Here's the flash, hold the button down. Everything does work on this camera. It's a really nice camera, actually. So to power up, all you have to do is basically hold on the button, turn it on. You can see it's all already working. Here is my hand, as you can see here, and I will take a photo of my hand so you can see it does work. And there's my hand right there. Simple enough. Then it'll shut off automatically after a few seconds to save power. And if you want to retrieve the image, just hit the play button here. Then you can see, and there it is. There's my hand, and here's my hand. So that's simple as that. And in the play mode, if you're going back through all the photos, it'll automatically go into power saving mode, just like that. So save you power. It's super simple. And to shut it off, again, just slide it to off, shuts it off, put the lens cap back on. Again, that's it. So here's our 12 times zoom. It is a 10, I believe it's 10, yeah, 10 megapixel. That's what it says right here, 10 megapixel. All the controls work smoothly. This is a super clean camera, and I absolutely love it. Nice quality camera. The old school cameras are really the way to go. Instead of cramping up your phone full of photos, you keep it here, keep it controlled, and then especially if you want to take photos of any kind of product shots or anything, this is the way to go. Absolutely, definitely highly recommend this camera. Thanks for watching.